Hey guys, am I audible, everyone? Information in the chat. Yes, everybody, am I audible? Yeah. Okay, good morning. Good morning, everybody. So let's just wait for 5 more minutes so that everybody can join and then we will start our session. Okay? Yeah, good morning, Rajkumar. Okay. Everybody can see my screen, right? Yes? Okay, okay. Thank you, Sudeep. Good morning, Pranav. Good morning, Rani. Good morning, Nidhi. Good morning, Kalesh. Yes, Subdeep. I'll ask everyone about the homework question. I think some of students have done yesterday. Let's see. Okay. Ma'am, do you know how many students enroll in this program? I don't have that idea, Pranav. Okay. Okay, guys. I think everybody has joined the session. So we can start our session now. So first, let's just talk about the homework, guys. Everybody has done the question. Everyone, guys. Yeah, good morning, Swaroop. Everybody has done the homework question, guys. Yes. What about others? Everybody? Okay, good, Chirag. Yes, yes. Okay. Okay, guys. Anybody any doubt in that question? Anybody any doubt? Anybody any doubt in that question? No? Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Good. Good, everyone. Now, let's just revise what we have studied yesterday. Okay. So we have studied about the membership operators, guys. Correct? Membership operators, in which it tells us about the value, whether it is present in our list or not. That is in not in keyword, which we used in our membership operators. Correct, guys? So here I have created a list and just check that the value present in our list or not. Correct? So this is about the membership operator, guys. Then we have an identity operator. It tells us that the value that the two ma'am, I delete option. Ma'am, the delete option I forgot. Which delete option, Pranav? In which topic? Okay. So when we have taught about the identity operators, guys, identity operators, if the two values are present in the same memory location or not, if the two variables are present in the same memory location or not. So to check that, we use the identity operator, guys. In this we have is and is not, is and is not. Okay. So this is the syntax. This is the syntax, guys. So x is y when if the values of the two variables are same but they doesn't belong to the same memory, that's why it is giving us false. That's why it is giving us false. So this is about the identity operators that we have studied yesterday. Then we have moved on to the sequential and unsequential data types, guys. Sequential and unsequential data types. In sequential data types we have list, tuple and strings, and in unsequential data types we have dictionary and sets. Okay, dictionaries and sets. And then we have studied about the unsequential data types first. Now first is dictionary. Now in dictionary we have key value pairs, right? We have key, we have a value, key value pairs, and dictionaries are mutable. We have studied about the mutable and immutable, guys, also. That mutable are those who can change once created, and immutable are those who cannot change once created. It means you can do manipulations, in the data types after creation, that are mutables, and if you don't do the manipulations after creation, that are your immutable. Correct, guys? Then we have studied about how to create a dictionary using the curly braces, and like this format, first we write our key and then colon and then we write our value. Okay, guys, so this is how we create our dictionary. Correct? Then I want to do some manipulation in my dictionary, so there are some functions. Like if I want to get a single value, access a single value from my dictionary, I just use the key. Correct? And when we want to add a new key value to the dictionary, we use the key. Okay, guys. Then when I want to delete something, we use the keyword del. Okay, we use the keyword del. Okay, guys. And this is the homework which I have given to you. I hope everybody has done this question. Okay, guys, everybody has done this question, correct? Now what we have? Now we have some methods in our dictionary. Methods. What are these methods? When we want to get all the keys present in our dictionary, we use dot keys method. When we want all the values in our dictionary, we use dot values method. And when we want both together, the key and the value together, then we use the dot items method. Okay, guys. So this is about the dictionary what we have studied. Okay. Then we have studied about immutable that I have already told you. Then we have move on to the sets. Okay. So sets are unordered, unique collection of data elements. Means set are randomly printed and it doesn't allow duplicates. It does not allow duplicates. Okay, so in sets, if you write any duplicates, it will not come in the output. It will not come in the output. Okay, so now sets also have some functions. Some sets are also mutable, so we can manipulate the data. So here I am adding something, so to use by add function. Okay, and when I want to remove something, I use the remove function here. Okay guys, this is clear to everyone. Anybody any doubt in the yesterday class? Okay, so we can move on. Okay, we can move on now guys. Yes, okay, guys. Yes, okay guys. Now what I have told you, now what I'm going to tell you, that the union function, about the union function in sets. So what is the union function basically guys? Union function basically combine all the elements from the both the sets. Combine all the elements from both the sets. Okay, so for union we use the dot union method. Okay guys, for union we use the combine all elements from both the sets, removes duplicates. Okay, removes duplicates because sets do not allow duplicates. Correct, set do not allow duplicates. Okay, so we use dot union method guys. Dot union method, what it does, it prints all elements present in both set guys. So let's see how it does. So it was a dot union, and here it will write b, a dot union b. Okay guys, now what if I do this, just wait. Okay guys, see, all the elements from both the sets are combined guys. All the elements from both the sets are combined, removing the duplicates. Okay, removing the duplicates, because there is also 3 4 present, but it takes 3 4 only one times. Okay, only one time. So I'm getting 1 2 3 4 5 6. I'm getting 1 2 3 4 5 6. Clear everyone? Clear what is union, what is dot union method? Yeah. Yes, you can use that symbol also, Kirti. You can use that symbol also. Okay guys, clear everyone? Clear? Yes? Okay. Now intersection guys. Now if we have union, we have intersection also. So what is that intersection? Intersection basically collects a common element from the set. Okay? It will only give you the common element from both the set. Okay, if there is something common in both the sets, it will give you that value. Okay guys, so intersection we have guys. Now what it does, it give common elements from both the set. Okay, both the set. Okay guys, so try this also. A dot intersection b. Okay, a dot intersection b. Okay, now if I print this guys, so what will be the output guys? 3 4. Correct, 3 4 guys. Correct, because 3 and 4 is the common in both the sets. 3 and 4 are common in both the sets. Correct guys? Correct? Clear or not? Clear everybody? Tell me guys, clear or not? Clear everyone? Yes? Okay guys. Okay. So this is about the sets guys. This is about the sets. Correct? Now what are the problems in sets guys? Can you tell me everyone, what are some problems in sets? Tell me everyone. What are the problems in our sets? Issue with sets basically. What are some issues with sets? We have seen some properties of sets, but what are the issues? Can't traverse. Correct. Indexing is not possible guys. Indexing is not possible. We cannot get a single value. Correct or not guys? Let's say I'm writing here problems with sets. What are the problems with sets? Okay, set is unordered unique collection of elements. Yes, Kirti. Yes, Kirti. What are the problems then? What are the problems in this? First, it is indexing problem, indexing, we can't perform indexing in this. Now what is second? What is second? Guys, tell me everyone. Unordered, it is also unordered. Okay, unordered. Now what guys? Now what? Tell me guys everyone. Duplicates guys, correct? It doesn't allow duplicates. No duplicates. No duplicates guys, correct or not? Correct or not guys? Correct, these are some problems with our sets guys, correct or not? Tell me everyone. Yes? These are some problems with our sets guys, correct or not everyone? Yes? Yeah, unchangeable. Okay? Okay guys? What is duplicates? Harish, see, in sets we have seen that if we have added some duplicates, like here I have added 3 4 value, and here also I have added 3 4 value, but it is not printed in our sets. But if you see the output, 3 and 4 come only once, correct or not Harsh? Yes, sorry Harish, sorry. That's why we are saying that sets do not allows duplicate. Okay, yeah, so these sets are mutable. But it does not allow duplicates. That's what I'm saying. Okay, we cannot access a single value from the sets. Okay, we cannot look sets are faster for lookup but slower for iteration because they are use hash. Correct Kirti. Correct, because we cannot access, we cannot perform indexing in our sets. Correct. Clear everyone? Clear? Yes? Okay. So these are some problems with our sets guys. So to removing these problems, to removing these kinds of problems, we have list guys. So we have list and tuple. Okay, we have list and tuple. So first let's see about the list guys. Okay, so now it solves all the problems of our list, of our sets. Okay guys, because lists are ordered guys, ordered, so it can perform indexing. Can you please show once union and intersection? See, this is the union and intersection. Okay, this is the union and intersection. Union basically prints all the element present in both the sets. Okay, I had a problem. Yeah, okay, no issue. See, this is the code for union. I'm pasting it in the chat box also so that you can see that. Okay, and this is for intersection. Okay, this is for intersection. Okay, so union basically prints all the elements in both the sets, and intersection basically just gives you the common element. Okay, just gives you the common element. Okay, clear everyone? Okay. Now what I'm saying, that lists are ordered. Yeah, it allows duplicates. Okay, it allows duplicates, and it in list we can perform indexing guys. Okay, yeah, it is also mutable. Lists are mutable. Okay guys, lists are mutable. Okay guys, clear everyone? Clear that it solves all the problems that we have in our sets. Okay, okay guys, okay, clear? Let's see the syntax. That how do we create list guys. Let's see the syntax first. Okay, so now we have seen that to create our sets and dictionary we use curly braces. Correct guys, we use curly braces. So for creating list guys, we use square brackets. Okay, square braces. Correct, square braces. Okay, no, the second one Sudhir, we use the square braces. Okay, to create a list. Okay guys, so let's create a list guys. Let's just create a list guys. let's say I am writing here fruits, or let's say something. Okay, fruits. Okay, guys. Let's say here I have some fruits, guys. Apple. So can you give me some fruits name, guys? Everyone. Let's say banana. Okay. Let's say mango. Let's say kiwi. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah, coconut. Coconut is an name. Okay. So, guys, this is my fruit list. Okay. This is my fruit list. Okay. Now this is some list. Now I'm just printing my list, guys. Now I'm just printing my. Let's add some duplicates also, guys. Let's add some duplicates also, so that we can see that list allow duplicates. Okay. Let's say apple. Okay. And mango. Okay. Apple and mango. Okay. Now what? I am printing my fruits. Okay. Now what? I'm printing my fruits. Okay. Let's say, guys. Let's see the output. See, the output is ordered or not, guys. The output is ordered. It is coming same as what I have inserted. It is coming same as what I have inserted, guys. Correct? Yes. Yes, everybody. Yes or not? It allows duplicates, guys. See, you can see apple and mango 2 times. Apple and mango 2 times, guys. Correct? So it allows duplicates. It is ordered. It is ordered. Correct? Correct, guys? Clear or not, everyone? Clear or not? Clear or not, everybody? Yes. Yes. Okay. Now let's see. Now if I'm saying lists are mutable, as it allows indexing, that's why while creating a list, all elements have particular index. Correct, Subhati. Correct. Okay. Because it is ordered. Because it is ordered. That's why indexing is possible. That's why indexing is possible. Correct, guys? Clear, everyone? Clear? Clear, everybody? Yes. Okay, guys. Okay. Now if lists are mutable, so we can add or delete something, guys. We can simply add or delete something in our list. So can you explain once what is it? Yes, Vijay. Yes, Vijay. I'll tell you the indexing, guys. I'll tell you about the indexing, how to do indexing, how to fetch a single element from our list. Okay, guys. I'll tell you about that, indexing and slicing both the parts. Indexing and slicing both the parts. I'll tell you, guys. Okay. Okay, Vijay. Clear? Are you clear with this part? Are you clear with this part, that how to create a list? Okay. And list allow duplicates and it is ordered. It is ordered. Okay, guys? Okay. Now what I'm saying, let's see some methods from which we can add something or delete something from the list. Okay. We can add something or delete something from a list. Okay, guys? Let's say I want to add a new value. Okay, adding a new value. Correct, Sudhir? Adding a new value. Okay, so for that we use append method, guys. Append method dot append method, guys. Okay, so let's see, guys. Here I am writing fruits dot append fruits dot append. Now what I want to append? Let's say I want to append pineapple. Okay, pineapple. Okay, pineapple. Now if I print my fruits, okay, guys, fruits. See, pineapple is added or not? Pineapple is added or not? Guys. Correct. Clear, everyone? Yeah, clear. And by using append method, mutable. Correct. It is mutable, so we can add something. Okay, we can add something. We can delete something. Right. Now you can see by using append method, we can add this element in the last. Okay, we can add this element in the last, guys. Correct or not? Correct or not, some guys? Okay. So now we can see to remove something. Okay, removing a value, guys. Removing a value. Simply removing a value. Simply you can use, guys, remove function. Correct. Correct, everybody. Correct. Dot remove. Correct or not, guys? Dot remove function. Yes. So what we can do? Fruits dot remove dot remove, and here I just put the value which I want to remove. Let's say I want to remove banana. Okay, I want to remove banana, guys. Okay, see, banana is being removed. Now if I print my fruits, see, you can see the banana in the output, guys. No, can you see the banana in the output? No, guys, it is being deleted. Clear or not? Clear or not? Everyone, tell me, guys. Clear? Okay. Okay. Now I'm saying that if I'm adding some value, sets are also mutable, right? Yes, Srinivasa, sets are also mutable. It just we cannot update any value in sets because we cannot access a single value from the sets. Okay, it cannot access the value in the sets. Okay. If duplicates are there, only first occurrence is deleted. If duplicates are there, yeah, correct, Kirti. If duplicates are there in fruits, if in list, the first occurrence will be deleted. Okay, the first occurrence will be deleted. Okay, the first occurrence will be deleted. Okay, dot pop index. Yes, you can do that. Sudeep. Okay. Clear, everyone? Clear? Clear or not, everyone? Everybody is clear? Yes? Okay, guys. Okay. Now, if I'm using append method to add something, what is dot pop index? See, if it is for deleting, Kiran, it is for deleting. So in pop, what you do, you just pass the index value. Okay. In pop, you just pass the index value. So I'll tell you about the indexing first, then you will understand that method. Okay. First, let me tell you about the indexing. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. Now what I'm saying that if I'm doing append method, it is added in the last. Now what if I want to add something in a particular index, guys? In a particular index. Okay. So first, let's see what is indexing, guys. Now let's see what is indexing first. Okay. Indexing, everyone. Indexing. Okay. Now what is indexing, guys? Now what is indexing? When you want to access a particular element, guys. When you want to access a particular element, guys. Okay. Correct. Give the position of the element, that at which position it is present. Okay. Give the position. Correct, guys. Correct or not? Like it gives the position of element, that at what position my element is present, guys. Correct. And indexing start from 0. Okay, so here indexing start from 0. Okay, I'll tell you how the indexing is being performed. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, let's just a second. So if I'm saying that indexing means when I want to access my particular element, guys. Okay, when I want to access some particular element. Okay, now what I'm saying, let's say I have some values in my list. Okay, let's say 23, 56, 34, let's say 90, and 27. Okay, so these are some values which I have in my list. Okay, guys, so these are some values which I have in my list. Okay, now what I'm saying, so how the indexing is being performed, means you have indexing. What is indexing in normal life? See, you can see there are some numbers, page numbers. When you write in your notebook, there are some page number, and this is my content. Okay, so at page number 2, this is my content. At page number 3, this is my content, guys. Correct. This is how we see the index page of our notebook, guys. Correct or not, guys? Clear? Yes. Now in Python, we have start our indexing from 0. Okay, so from 0. So here, this is my first element, guys. So the index of this element will be 0. Okay, the index of this element will be 0. Now the index of this element will be 1. The index of this element will be 2. Index of this element will be 3. Index of this element will be 4. Okay, guys. Clear or not? So 23 is present at 0th index, 56 is present at first index, 34 is present at second index, 90 is present at third index, and 27 is present at fourth index. Clear or not, everybody? Clear? So now how can I access a single element? Now how can I access a single element? If I say guys that I want 34, I want this 34 from my list. So how can we access guys? How can we access guys? Through its index number. Okay, through its index number. Okay, so if I say I want 34 from my list, I want 34 from my list. So I can write here like this is my list name. Okay, let's say Li is my list name. So I can write here, and here in the square brackets I can pass my index guys. I can pass my index. So what is the index of 34 guys? Now what is the index of 34? 2. 2. So here I can simply pass 2. Okay, here I can simply pass 2. So that will give me the output 34. Okay, that will give me the output 34 guys. Okay, now if I say I want the element 24, now 27, now I say if I want the element 27, so what will be the index guys? What will be the index? 4. Correct? 4 comma minus 1. Yeah, Chirag, that is for negative indexing. That is for negative indexing. Okay, clear with this negative indexing part guys? Clear everyone? Yes. Yes. Okay guys. Okay guys. Okay, now let's see the examples for indexing guys. Let's see some example. Now if I say I have a list. Okay guys, I have a list Li. Okay, now here I have some values guys. I have some values. Let's say 23, 56, 39. Okay, let's say apple. Okay, true. Let's say, okay, and let's say mango. Okay, by using enumerate function we can we will get index and values. Enumerate function, yeah, it is used in loop. Sudhir, it is used in loop. Okay, it is iterable. You can get enumerate function by using loop to get the index values. Okay, fruits dot, yeah, you can use that. It is for loops. Okay, it is used in loops. Okay, to iterate through your list. Okay, yeah. Now here I'm saying guys, if I have created this list, now I want the element true. Okay, now guys, I want the element true. So can you tell me how we get that? How do we get that? Like print, what will be the index of true guys? What will be the index of true? Everyone tell me what will be the index of true? 4. Okay, 4. Let's see guys. So here is my list name. Here I am passing 4. Here I am passing 4. See, I am getting true guys. I am getting the true output. Correct or not? Clear everyone? Clear everybody? So how it is performing? Because 0 is at my 23 index, 56 is at my first index, 39 is at my second index, apple is at my third index, true is at my fourth index, and mango is at fifth index. Correct? Can we change the indexing of the items in list? See, Srinivasa, indexing always starts from 0. So what will be the first element? It will start from 0. Okay, the index will be 0. Okay. Clear everyone? Clear? That this is how we can perform the indexing. This is how, if I want 56 guys, so what will be the code? If I want 56, what will be the code? Okay, if you want 56, then what will be the code? Okay. You mean we can't write? See, you cannot change. You can change a value at a specific index, but you cannot change the index, Srinivasa. Okay. Ma'am, why we have not put 2 in inverted comma? See, it is a Boolean value, Abhinav. It is a Boolean value, correct? It is a Boolean value. Correct, Abhinav? It is a Boolean value. That's why we have not put the inverted comma. Okay? Yes? Yes. Okay. So I have got the output for 56, guys. That print li and 2, guys. 2. Seep is saying 2. What about others? 1. 1, guys. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Let's see, guys. See, you are getting 54, 56. You are getting 50, 56, guys. Yeah. So the list can store any data type or value. Okay. It can store any data type. Okay. Okay, guys. Clear, everyone? Clear how the indexing is being performed? How the indexing is being performed? Yes. Yes, everybody. Clear or not? Okay. Now this is for the positive indexing, guys. Now this is for the positive indexing. In indexing, we also have negative indexing, guys. Okay. Now here we can say that the positive indexing starts from 0. Starts from 0. Now the negative indexing starts from -1. Okay. From -1. Negative indexing starts from -1, guys. Okay. Okay. So how negative indexing is being performed? Let's see. So this is my list, guys. Now this is my list. So now it starts from the last. It starts from the last. So the index of 27 is -1. Okay, guys. The index of 27 is -1. Then -2. Okay, guys. -2. Then we have something like -3. So -3. Now this will be -4. Okay, now this will be -5. Okay, guys. So this is how the negative indexing is being performed. Okay, this is how the negative indexing is being performed. Now if I say that I want 34, now if I say, guys, if I want 34, now what will be the negative indexing for that, guys? Like, let's say I write here li, that is my list, and here I put the square brackets. Now here I have put the square brackets. Now what will be the negative indexing, guys? -3. -3, everybody. This will be -3, correct? Clear? Clear, everyone? Clear or not? Yes? Tell me, guys, everybody. Yes? Okay. Let's see if I want true. If I want true. Okay? Ma'am, can you please use single instead of single hashtag? It will order perfectly in the markdown. Okay. Okay, Subdeep. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. So now what I want true. I want true only, but with the negative indexing, guys. But with the negative indexing. So what will be the code? Okay. Clear. Clear, everyone? Let's say here I will write print li, and here I'll pass -2, guys. -2. Okay. See, you get the true output. Correct? Correct? Here, everybody, clear with the negative, positive, and negative indexing. Okay. Positive and negative indexing. Okay. Yes. Yes, everyone. Yes. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Now you can see that by performing indexing, we can get only a single value, guys. We can get only a single value. Now what? If I want, like, let's say here, I want 56, 39 and apple all together. Okay, guys. Now what I say, if I want 56, 39 and apple all together. Okay. I want to extract some elements. I want to extract some elements from first index to third index. Okay, from first index to third index. Correct, Shruti? Okay, from first index to third index. So there we come as slicing, guys. There it is a concept as slicing. Okay, slicing. Okay, let's say this is my slicing. Okay, So now what is slicing, guys? Now what is slicing? Basically it extract your element from a different index. Okay, basically from start to end means it extracts some values. Okay, not a single value, not a single value, because indexing can perform that. Now if I want multiple values together, so that's where we can use slicing, guys. So that's why where we can use slicing. Okay, but okay everyone, clear? Clear? Now let's say how can I perform slicing, guys? Now let's say how can I perform slicing in this? So if I say like this is my index, guys, everybody is clear with the index, like this is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now if I say, guys, now if I say I want element from 56 to 90. Okay, now if I want element from 56 to 90. Okay, to 90. Now how slicing will be performed, guys? Now how slicing will be performed? So let's say this is my list. Okay, li is my list, guys, correct? Now here I pass the square brackets. Now what I said, now what I write. So first I'll write my start end, guys. Start index. Okay, start index. Okay, now start index basically from where I want my values, from where I want my value, guys. Okay, so I want from 56, guys, 56. So this will be my start index 1, 1. 1 will be my start index, guys. 1 will be my start index. So here I can write 1. Okay, so from here I can write 1. Now I'll give the colon, guys. I'll give the colon. Okay, now guys, I want the end value. So what is the index of end value, guys? What is the index? I want element from 56 to 90. Okay, from 56 to 90. So what will be the ending index, guys? What will be the ending index? What will be the ending index? 3. 3 will be the index of 90, correct? Now here in slicing, what it happens? Now here in slicing, what will happen? We use the ending index plus 1. Okay, ending index plus 1. Ending index plus 1. So 3 will be the index, means 3 plus 1. Okay, guys, 3 plus 1. Okay, 3 plus 1. So it goes through 4. Okay, it goes through 3. Okay, so if you write here, it will be 1, 1 and 4. Okay, 1 and 4. So if you write index in ending index plus 1, then it will goes through 3. Okay, then so from 1 it will stop till 3. Okay, if it will stop till 3, because okay, so in slicing we pass our ending index plus 1. Okay, ending index plus 1. Okay, so this will be my starting index and ending index plus 1, guys. Okay, okay, ending index plus 1, because it starts from 1, it starts from 1 and goes through 4. Okay, goes till 4, goes till 4 means it will print till 90. Okay, it will print till 90. So that's why we are passing ending index plus 1. Okay, ending index plus 1. Clear everyone? Clear with the indexing part? Clear with the indexing part, everyone? Clear or not, everyone? Okay, okay guys, clear everyone? How can we get the values? Yes, okay. Now let's see some slicing part also. Now let's see, here is my list. Let's say here is my list. Let's say I have some list, guys. A S T, let's say 67, 90. Okay, okay guys, 90, 45. Okay, let's say Apple. Okay, Apple. Okay, now what I have, let's say true. Okay guys, true. Okay, so this is my list, guys. This is my list. Now what if I'm saying, I want element from 67 to Apple. Okay, now I want element from 67 to Apple, guys. Okay, from 67 to Apple. Okay, now if I say print, here I can do print li. Now what will be the index, guys? Now what will be the index, guys? Okay, now what will be the index, guys? Tell me everyone. Tell me everyone. So now, what is the starting index, guys? Now, what is the starting index? I want element from 67 to apple. Now, what is the starting index, guys? Now, what will be the starting index? 2 will be the starting index. 2 will be the starting index, correct? So here I can write 2. Now, till where I have to go? Till where I have to go? Ending index. What is the ending index, guys? Now, what is the ending index? Like, I want to go till apple. Okay, I want to go till apple. Now, what is the index? Last index, ending index, guys. What is the ending index? 6. 6. Okay, 6. See, you are getting till apple. See, what is the index of apple, guys? Okay, what is the index of apple? I want to go till apple, so the index of apple is 5. Now I'll add plus 1, guys. Now I'll add plus 1 so that we can go till apple. So we can go till apple. Okay, okay. How come starting index 2? As always it is 0. So no, Srinivasa, we are talking about that I want element from 67 to apple. Okay, I want to extract this much of values. Okay, now starting index means from where you want your values. Okay, from here where you want your values. So I want from 67. So 67 will be my starting index. Okay, okay. Clear, everybody? Clear with this part, that how we are getting this? How we are getting this? Yes. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Now here you can perform the negative indexing also, guys. Negative indexing also. Okay. So negative slicing also. Negative slicing also. Like here, these values will be like here. You can do the slicing with negative indexing also. You can do the slicing with negative indexing also. We can directly give 6, right? Yeah, you can give, Vijay. You can give. I just try to understand you guys. That's why I have write 5 plus 1. You can write 6 directly. Okay, you can write 6 directly. Okay. So now let's say this is my list, guys. Now let's say this is my list. So what will be the negative indexing, guys? What will be the negative indexing? So this will be my -1, correct, guys? This will be my -2. This will be my -2. Okay. Let's say this will be my -3. This will be my -4. And this will be my -5. Okay. Now if I say, guys, now if I say I want element from 56 to 90, so how can we perform slicing with the negative indexing, guys? Now how can we perform? Like here I will write li is my list. Okay. Now square brackets. Now what will be the slicing? Now what will be the slicing, guys? Here if I want element from 56 to 90. Okay. Now I want element from 56 to 90. Okay. Tell me, everybody, what will be the index with the negative indexing? What will be the slicing? Okay. -4 to -1. Okay. -4 to -1. Correct. I want element from 56 to 90. So what will be the starting index, guys? What will be the starting index? Like I want from 56. The index of 56 is the negative indexing of 56 is -4, correct? -4. So this will be my starting index, guys. This will be my starting index -4. Now here I put my colon. Okay. Now what is the ending index, guys? Now what is the ending index? Like I want to go till 90. I want to go till 90. So the index of 90 is -2, guys. -2. The index of 90 is -2, and you can add +1 here. Okay. So ending index +1 we will pass. So ending index +1 -2 +1 means -1, guys. Correct? Clear, everyone? Clear? Clear, everybody? Yes? Yes? So we can perform negative indexing. We can perform slicing with negative indexing also, guys. So let's say what will be the negative indexing if I want from 67? No, please explain again. Okay, see. Okay. See what I am saying. See that this is my index. So this is my index, right? Correct? Like if I say like this is my index. Okay. So this is how my negative indexing is. Like this will be -1, correct? See, this will be -1. This will be -2. Okay. 90 will be -2. 34 will be -3. 56 will be -4. Okay. -4. And 23 will be -5. So this is my negative indexing, correct? See. Okay. Now I am saying I want element from 56 to 90. Okay. From 56 to 90. Okay, now I want to perform slicing. Okay, now I want to perform slicing with the negative indexing. Okay, so my list will be li. Okay, my list will be li. Here I can pass my slicing index. Okay, so first what I pass in slicing, pass in slicing, the starting index, correct? See the starting index, so I want element from 56. So what is the index of 56? What is the index of 56? See, what is the index of 56? Minus 4, correct? So here I'll pass my starting index as minus 4. Now I'll give colon. Now what is the ending index? Now what is the ending index? Like I want element till 90 minus 4. Okay. What is the ending index? Sorry. What is the ending index? See now minus 90. So the ending index of 90 is minus 2. Minus 2. Now minus 2, and I will write minus 2 plus 1 because we add ending index plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1, correct? Minus 2 plus 1, minus 3, Vijay. Okay, clear or not? Minus 1, correct. Okay, clear. See, clear how it is performing. Clear? Yes. So let's see, guys. Let's see here. I get this element with my positive indexing. Let's suppose if you want output from 56 to 27, then how will it work with negative indexing? Now, if you want an element from 56 to 27, okay, from 656 to 27, okay. Now, what will be the output? Okay, clear. So let's say here list will be this. Okay, Shira. Okay. Now, what will be the starting index? Now, what will be the starting index? Now, what will be the starting index? Minus 4, correct? Minus 4, correct? Correct, Sudhir? Correct, Sudhir? Okay. Now, minus 4 will be my starting index. Okay. Now, minus 4 will be my starting index. Now, you can give this colon also. You can give this colon, and you can end this. You can end this without giving any value. Okay. So it will goes till last. Okay. It will goes till last because 27 is your last index. Okay. 27 is your last index. Correct? Correct or not? Correct or not? Correct or not? Yes. Yes. A repeat for the last index. See, we are not passing here any value. Okay. We are not passing here any values because we want to get till 27. Okay. We want to get till 27. So the starting index is clear, everyone. The starting index is clear because I want from 56. So the starting index will be minus 4. Okay. The starting index will be minus 4. Okay. Now I am not giving any ending index. Okay. Now I am not giving any ending index. So it will goes till last. Okay. I am not giving any ending index. So it will goes till last. Correct, Chirag? Correct or not? Clear? Yes. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Okay. Okay. Okay, now you can pass it like this if you want from 23, like it's a, if I want from 23 to 90. Okay, now guys, if I said I want from 23 to 90, so you can pass it like this also, guys. You can pass it like this also. See, list. Okay, list here. See, you cannot pass starting index because I want from start. You cannot pass the starting index. Okay, you can leave the starting index here and you can just give the colon and just give the ending index. Just give the ending index because I want from 90. I want from 90. So minus 3 and plus 1 because we put the plus 1 ending index. Okay. So minus 3 plus 1 guys. So this is how you can get the value from 23 to 90, guys. Clear or not? 23 to 90. 23 to 90, guys. Clear? Yes. Yes. What about others? Everybody is clear? Yes. Okay, so let's see what I'm saying. Let's see what I'm saying. So here, what I'm saying, like I want this much of element, like 67 to apple. Okay, from 67 to apple, guys, with the negative index. Okay, with the negative indexing. So what will be the code, guys? What will be the code? Tell me, everyone. Tell me, everyone. What is the starting index, guys? What will be the starting index? What will be the starting index, guys? What will be the starting negative index? Negative index -4 to -1, Kiran. Okay. What about others? Question is Subdeep that I want to print this much from 67 to apple with the negative slicing. Okay. By the negative slicing. Okay. -5, Satish, the starting index you are talking about. Starting index -5. Okay. Let's see. Here I will pass my -5. Now what will be the ending index, guys? What will be the ending index? What will be the ending index? I want till apple. I want till apple -1 because the index of apple is -2. The index of apple is -2. Here I'll write -2 plus 1. -2 plus 1. Okay. Soumya is saying -4 till -1. Okay. Okay. Let's see, guys. Let's see. If I'm printing this, see, you are getting the same output. Soumya, can you see the 67? What is the index of 67? What is the negative index of 67? -5, correct? -5. Yes, everybody clear or not? Clear? How we are getting this? How we are getting this, guys? Now if I say, I want from 67 to true. Okay, I want from 67 to true. Then what will be the code, guys? What will be the code? Everybody tell me. I want from 67 to true. Okay. Yes, good. See, good, Chirag. Good. Okay. So here I'll write print li, and here I'll pass the starting index because from 67 I want, guys. From 67 I want, so the index of 67 is -5, correct? -5, and I want to go till last. So I don't write the ending index. Okay, I want till last. Okay, guys, clear? Let's see the output, guys. Let's see the output. See, you are getting all the elements from 67 to the last. Clear? Yes. Now if I say I want from S to apple, guys, S to apple, what will be the code? From S to apple I want. Now what will be the code? 0. Srinivasa? Is it possible to use both a negative indexing and positive indexing, or any one? What you are trying to say? We want negative and positive indexing in one. Negative and positive indexing we can perform. Okay. Even if we pass in negative slicing from back to front, we will get the result in order from straight, right? What you want? Like you want it like this? You want it like this, Vijay? You're talking about like this, like if you are saying that here I'll pass my -1 and here I'll pass -5. This is what you are saying, Vijay? This is what you are saying? Yes? See the output. See the output. See, what is the starting index here? What is the starting index? -1. What is the starting index? -1 means true. Okay. What is the starting index? -1. Okay. So from -1 it will go till -5. It will go till -5. Okay. It will go till -5 and it will print will be in the reverse order. Okay. Yeah, it will work. You can do, Subdeep. You can do that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, Vijay, are you clear? Okay. So it will print it in the reverse order. Okay. Because start first in what is the syntax of slicing? Basically, guys, what is the syntax of slicing? First, we will pass our start index. Okay. Start index. Okay. Then colon and then ending index plus 1. Okay. Ending index plus 1. Okay. Ending index plus 1. Okay, guys. So this is the syntax, guys. This is the syntax of the slicing. Okay. Clear, everyone? Srinivasa, what you are doing? Okay. Clear, everyone? Clear or not? Everybody? Okay. Now what if you want full list, guys? Okay. If you want full list, ma'am, copy the code I am giving you. add, do not change, and put it under the slicing. Which code, Subdeep? Which code you, Subdeep? This. Which code you are trying to say? For S to Apple, Harshita, from S to Apple, you can give colon, and then you can pass the index of Apple. Okay, index of Apple plus 1. Okay, index of Apple plus 1. Okay. This is the code you are trying to say, Subdeep. This is the code. List name in the markdown. Yeah. Okay. You are trying to write. Okay. Here you can. Here you are saying this like this. This is the syntax. Okay, guys. This is the syntax basically. Okay. This is the syntax. Okay. Okay. Clear? This is the syntax. Start, stop plus 1 step. You cannot remove from that. Okay. Harshit. Oh, sorry, Harshit. I can't see. Okay, guys. Clear, everyone. Clear, everybody. Clear how we are performing. Clear how we are performing our slicing. How we are performing our slicing. Okay. Clear, everyone? Clear? Yes? Yep. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is how we can perform our slicing. This is how we can perform our slicing. Okay. And if you guys want full list, if you guys want, let's say, sorry, guys, if you want, guys, full list, the whole list, if you want, you can simply give this. Okay. Just a second, guys. Okay. If you want full list, what you can do, you can just simply write print li. Here you cannot pass the starting index also and the ending index also, so you can just write it like this, guys. So you get the whole list. Okay, you get the whole list. Okay. Yes, Arif, that is for step. You can write the step also, guys. You can write the step also. Okay, you can write the step also. Okay, like if you are trying to say, if you're trying to say 2, 5 and 1, you can do like this. Okay, 2, 5, 1. So from starting index will be the my 2, means starting index will be my 2, so it will start from 67. Okay, it will start from 67. Okay, now fifth matlab it will go till 4 index, guys. It will go till 4 index, means from this 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will go till 45, guys. Correct? It will go till 45. Correct? Is negative string starts with index -1 will be there in 0. No, Rakesh. The negative indexing starts from -1. Okay. The negative indexing starts from -1. Okay. There will be no 0 in negative indexing. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Kirti, this is how you can reverse my list. Okay, this is how you can reverse your list also, guys. You can reverse your list. Okay, step size also you can give, guys. Like if I say, guys, like if I say I want like this. Okay, I want my slicing like this. Okay, like S here, then I want 67, then I want 45. Okay, so how can we do that, guys? How can we do that? Okay. Yeah, that is negative stepping. Okay, that is negative stepping, and you can give the positive stepping also. Okay, like if I say, guys, if I say I want like this S, then 67, then I want 45. Okay, then I want true. So what will be the code, guys? Now what will be the code? So print li, the starting index. Here I will pass starting index. I will pass. Okay, what will be the starting index? Tell me, everyone. 0, or you can I want from all the list. I want from all the list. Okay, so what you can do, you can just simply write it like this. Okay, I'll not pass the starting index and the ending index. Okay, and you can simply write 2 also. You can simply write it 2. See, you are getting like this. You are getting like this because I want from start. Okay, I want from start, so I'll not pass here the starting index. Okay, simply I'll not pass here the starting index, and I want to go till to true means I want to go till my last index. Okay, I want to go till my last index, so I can also skip the ending index part, guys. Correct, ending index. Now step is 2. Step is 2 because I am jumping 2 values. Correct, I am jumping 2 values, guys. Correct, so that's why I am giving here 2. Okay, that's why I am giving here 2. Okay, clear everyone? Clear or not? See, this is the output. This is how we are getting the output. Clear? Yes? Yes? Not clear? Arif, what is not clear to you? Tell me. What is not clear to you? Tell me, Arif. Tell me, Arif, what is not clear to you? Output? Which output, Arif? Which code you are talking about? Last one. See, I want it like this. See, this is my list, Arif. This is my list. Okay, this is my list. Now what I am saying, I want to skip one values. Okay, now I want to skip one values. See, this is my S. Okay, this is my S. Okay, see S. Now I want S, then I want 67, then I want 45. Okay, and then I want true. So I want to skip one values. Okay, I want to skip one values. Okay, so I want from, so here what I'm doing, it will like here list name. Okay, list name here, and then start index, stop index plus 1, stop index plus 1, and then we will pass our steps. Okay, step size. Okay, clear? Okay, now what I'm saying, if I want from start, so I can skip the starting index pass, guys. Correct, I can skip the starting index. This 5 starts from starting, or it starts from 2. It starts from 2, Vijay. It starts from 2. It goes till your 4th index, because you have passed 5. It will go till your 4th index. Okay, okay. Now Arif, what I'm saying, I want from start, so I can write it like this. Correct, I cannot pass the starting index. Not clear, explain once. Okay, what is not clear? Okay, but it has not skipped by one. See, by default, the step size is 1. Okay, by default the step size is 1, guys. Okay, let's say 2 5. Yes, because it will by default the step size is 1. If you don't pass the 1 also, you will get the same output. See, okay, you will get the same output. Okay, because by default it will start from 1. Okay, by default it will the step size will be 1. Okay, yeah. So now what I am saying, guys, see, this is my value. Okay, so let's say this is my index. Now I want my elements. Like from 23, I want 23, then I want to go to 34. Okay, then I want to go to 27. Okay, guys, so this is the output that I want. Okay, this is the output that I want, guys. Okay, so now what is the starting index, guys? Now what is the starting index? Here I want from start. Okay, here I want from the start, so I can skip this and starting index, guys. Starting index, so I can skip that part. So the starting index I can skip. Step size 1 means the difference between index. It's like 1 like 0. When we add 1, if we do -1 0, it is, yeah, correct, Subdeep. Correct. So the step size 1 means basically the difference between these two. Okay, the difference between these two. So by default, if you don't write the step size 1, also, it will give you the same output. Okay, guys. Okay, clear? Now what I'm saying, that if I want from 23, so I cannot write the starting index, guys. I cannot write the starting index. Simply I can write the colon. Okay, Vijay. Okay, and Arif. So I can simply write it like this. Now I want till end. Okay, I want till end. So I cannot write the ending index also. I can skip the ending index part also. Correct, I can skip the ending index part also. So this will give me my whole list. Okay, this will give me my whole list. Correct, Now what I want, I want to skip one value. Okay. So here, this will be my index 0, correct? This will be my index 0. This is my index 1. Okay. This is my index 2. This is my index 3. This is my index 4, correct? Correct, Vijay? Correct, Arif? Correct? So now what I say, like I want from go to 0 to 2 index, okay? From 0th index to 2 index, and then from 2 to 4th index, okay? From 2 to 4th index. So the difference is 2, okay guys? So the difference is 2 from in both the thing, correct? The difference is 2. That's why I am passing this step size as 2. Okay, that's why I'm passing the step size as 2. So this will be my code, okay? This will be my code. Clear? Clear now? Clear or not, everyone? Clear now? Yes? Yes? Okay. Okay, guys. So this is how we are performing our slicing. Okay. This is how, guys, we are performing our slicing. Okay. Okay, guys. Clear or not? Clear or not, everyone? Yes? Yes? Yes, everyone? Clear. Okay. Clear, everybody. Yes. Now, how can you reverse your list? Okay. Yes, ma'am. Go ahead. Okay. Okay, Swaroop. Okay. I'm going. Okay. Now, guys, what I want, I said that sequence start, stop, step. Correct, Arif. Correct. Okay. Yeah. If you want to just reverse your string, what is the code, guys? What will be the code? Like if I write print here, like I want to go like this, okay? I want to go like this from true, then apple, then 45, then 90, then 67, then T, then S, okay? So basically I want to reverse my list, okay? Basically I want to reverse my list, correct? Correct, guys? So what I can do, I can start, I want from the whole list, guys. I want value from the whole list because I want to reverse the whole list. So I can simply not pass the starting and the ending index, guys. I can simply not pass the starting and the ending index, correct? Correct, guys? Correct? So now what I want what will be the step size, guys? Now what will be the step size, guys? Like this is how I want my output. This is how from true to S. So the step will be -1, guys. -1, correct? Correct or not, guys? -1 because I want to reverse it. Correct or not? I want to reverse it, correct? So here my step size will be -1. So if you print this, see, you are getting the reverse order. You are getting the list in the reverse order. Correct or not, guys? Correct or not? Clear or not? Clear, everyone? Clear? Anybody any doubt? Anybody any doubt in this? Anybody any doubt in this? Yes? Clear? Clear? Okay, guys. Okay. So can we move forward? For reverse order, explain how -1 works. See. Let's say this is how my list is. Okay. This is how my list is, correct? Correct, see? Okay. This is how my list is. Okay. Now if you want from 27 to 23, okay, from 27 to 23, so my list will be, okay, you want the whole list, correct? So you want the whole list, so simply you can write it like this, okay? You cannot pass the starting index, you cannot pass the ending index, correct? Correct, see? Correct. Now what I'm saying, what will be the step size? Okay. Now what I'm saying, what will be the step size? Okay. I want to go from 27 to 90. So how it can be? It will be like this is my -1. This will be my -1. This is my -2. This is my -3. Okay. -3, -4. Okay. And -5. So what will the difference? What is the difference? See, you can see the difference between these values are -1. You want to go it like this, okay? The difference is -1, correct or not? See, correct or not? Yes, so that's why I am writing it as -1, okay? That's why I am writing it as -1. Clear? Clear? Clear or not? Okay, yeah. Clear? Yes. Okay, guys, so this is how we are performing our slicing. Okay, this is how we are performing slicing. Okay, clear, everyone? This is how we can perform our slicing part. Okay, clear everyone? Clear? Anybody any doubt till here? Anybody any doubt till here? You can tell me now. You can tell me now. No? Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, everybody. So can we move forward? Can we move forward, guys? Now, so my indexing and slicing is completed. So now what I'm saying in my list, guys, what I'm saying in my list, that here I'm adding my value, right? Here, guys, I am adding my values. Now what I say that I want to add something. I want to add something in a particular index, guys. In a particular index, guys. So how can we do that? How can we do that, guys? If I want to print, I want to add element by in a particular index, guys, in a particular index. So that's why we use the insert method. Correct, Sudhir? We use the insert method. Okay, dot insert. Okay, dot insert. Okay, I just create my list again. Let's say here. This is my list, guys. This is my list, fruits list. Correct. This is my fruit list. Okay, let's say this is my fruit list again here. Okay, now I say I want to add, let's say I want to add pineapple. Okay, guys, I want to add pineapple but at index after mango. Okay, let's say I want to add pineapple after mango, guys. Okay, after mango I want my pineapple. Okay, so for that we can use insert function, guys. Okay, we can use the insert function. Now syntax of insert is, in insert you can pass first the index and then the element which you want to add. Okay, first you pass the index, that at what index you want to add the value, and then the element which you want to add in the value. Okay, the element which you want to add in the value. Okay, let's say I am saying that I want to add like fruits dot insert, fruits dot insert. Now I want to add pineapple after mango. Okay, guys, after mango. So what is the index of mango, guys? Can you tell me what is the index of mango? Like the index of apple is 0. Correct, guys? The index of, here I can perform the indexing also. See, the apple index is 0. The index of banana is 1. The index of mango is 2. The index of kiwi is 3. The index of apple is 4, guys. And the index of mango is 5. Correct. Now I am saying that I want to add my pineapple after mango, guys. After mango means after the second index, guys. After the second index, guys. Correct. After the second index, guys. Correct. Now after the second index, what will be the index, guys? Third will be the index. Correct or not, guys? Third will be the index because I want to add my pineapple after mango. After mango. So third will be my index, guys. Correct. At third index. Now what the element? What is the element I want to add? Pineapple. Pineapple, guys. Correct. Pineapple. So see. Now if I print my fruits. See. Pineapple is added after mango, guys. Pineapple is added after mango. Clear or not, everyone? Pineapple is added at the last, after mango, guys. After mango. Clear? Clear or not, everyone? Anybody any doubt till here? No? Clear? Okay. So this is about the insert function. Okay. This is about the insert method in our list. Okay. So everybody is clear with the list part or not, guys? Everybody is clear with the list part or not? Okay. Now if I do insert 10 element, it is inserting at last. See 10 index is present. Kirti, 10th index is present. 10th index is present in our list. 10th index is present in our list. Correct? Correct? No. So that's why it will add it in the last. That's why it is added in the last. Okay? Because after 5, if you write something, okay? Yes, empty element is created. Okay? Okay, clear everyone? Now you can update some values, guys. Can you update some values? Can you update some values? Okay, Can you update some values? We can do by using remove index. Remove. Yes, you can do. Okay. Okay. You can do. Or you can just write here the element which you want to remove, Sudri. You can write the element which you want to remove. Okay. Okay. Can you insert using negative indexing widget? You can do. You can do. See, what is the negative indexing after mango? Let's say here my pineapple is added. My pineapple is added. Okay, let's say I want to add. Let's say I want to add papaya. Guys, let's say I want to add papaya after mango. Okay, after mango. Now, what is the negative indexing, guys? Fruits dot insert. Okay, fruits dot insert. Let's say so after mango. Okay, now what is the indexing? Like pineapple is there, so -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay, -5. Okay, minus. Okay, now what I say, I want to add after mango. Okay, after mango, at what index I want to add? So -5. So -4, at -4 I want to add. At -4 I want to add. Now which element I want to add? Papaya. Let's say papaya. Okay, papaya. Function on method object is not subscriptable. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Let me just. Uh. Okay. Sorry for the. I think it's the correct. See, now if I print my fruits, guys, let's say I want to print my fruits. See, papaya is added after mango. Papaya, correct, Kitty. Papaya is added after mango. See, Vijay, can you see that? Can you see that? Okay, can you see that? Yes. So you can perform the negative indexing also. Okay, you can perform the negative indexing also. Okay, guys. So this is how the insert method is performed. This is how the insert method is performed. Okay. Okay. Clear, guys? Clear? Clear or not, everyone? Clear or not? Yes. Yes. Okay. Now you can simply update some values, guys. You can simply update some values because in list we have indexing. In list we have indexing. So we can update some values, guys. Correct? You can update some values. Clear or not? Clear or not? Ma'am, break please. Okay, Kirti. Okay, guys, everyone, if you want break, you want break, everyone? Yes. Okay, guys. Okay. How many minutes? 5 minutes, guys, correct? Okay, 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, guys, you can take the break. भागेंगे किसी ने ब्रेक के लिए बोला आज Please add index in the previous cell where you have added pineapple. Where you want it, Subdeep, where you added pineapple. I have added the pineapple here. Oh, okay, okay, okay. If I run the cell again and again, it will add like this. Okay. Clear now, Subdeep? By using slicing, we can delete multiple items in the list, madam. Yes, you can delete. Yes, you can delete. Using slicing, you can delete multiple items. Okay, guys. Everybody is back from the break, guys. Everybody is back. Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Now what I'm saying, guys. Now what I'm saying that if I want to update some values, if I want to update some values in the list, so we can do that, guys. We can do that using indexing. Correct. We can do that, guys, using indexing. Correct. Correct, guys. Everyone. Correct. So how can we do that, guys? How can we do that? Let's say I want to change my mango. Okay, guys. Now I want to change my mango to, let's say, uh, let's say, here my list is fruits, guys. Fruits. Now here I can, what is the indexing of mango? Because I want to change mango. I want to change mango to, let's say, can you give me any fruit name, guys? Let's say from mango to orange. Okay, guys, to mango to orange. I want to change my mango to orange. So now what is the index of mango, guys? Now what is the index of mango? -2. Okay, there is 2 mango here. Okay, let's say I want to change this mango. Okay, let's say I want to change this mango, guys, everyone, to, okay, 2. Okay, now this will be my mango. Now I want to change it, guys. Now I want to change it to orange. Okay, now I want to change it to orange. Okay, guys, clear? So this is how you can update your value. Now if I write fruits, now if I print fruits, see, mango is changed to orange. Okay, mango is changed to orange. So that's here. That's why you can do that update. You can update your values because you have index. You have index, guys, correct? So for like this, you can change your values. You can update the values, guys. Okay, you can update the values, guys, which you can't do in sets. Which you can't do in sets. Okay, clear everyone? Clear how to update the values? Clear everyone? How to update your values? Okay. Yes. Anybody any doubt? Anybody any doubt in list, guys? Anybody any doubt in list, guys? Okay. Anybody any doubt in list, guys? Clear? Clear everybody? Okay. Okay, guys. So now here you can see list allows duplicates, guys. List allows duplicates, guys. And everything is mutable, which we have studied, guys. Everything is mutable. We can add something, we can delete something, correct, guys? We can add, we can delete something, correct, or guys, correct or not? Now what I say, if I don't want my duplicates, okay, now what I say, I can do manipulations, guys. I can do manipulations, guys, like I can add something, I can delete something. But what if I don't want my manipulations, guys? If I don't want to manipulate it, if I don't want anything to add it in my list, if I created my list once, like if I created something and I don't want to change it, I don't want any manipulation in that. Okay, I don't want any manipulation in that, guys. So that's where we can use tuple. That's where we can use the tuple. Correct. We can use the tuple because I don't want these manipulations. Okay, I don't want this manipulation, guys. Like let's say if I have some private data, I don't want it to get manipulated. Okay, I don't want it to get manipulated, guys. So that's where tuple comes in picture, guys. That's where tuple comes in picture. Correct. Tuple. Okay. Tuple. Now, what is tuple, guys? Now, what is tuple? Now, what is tuple? Because it also stores your multiple values. It also stores your multiple values of different data type. Like list also. Yeah, correct, Subhadeep. Immutable list. Okay. It is same as list. It is same as list. Okay. You can perform indexing and slicing in tuple also. You can perform indexing and slicing in tuple also. You can store multiple values in tuple also of different data type. Okay, of different data type. But we can also have the duplicates values in the tuple also. But what it is immutable. But what it is immutable means you cannot add or delete something in your list. Okay. Yeah, correct. Record. Okay. Now you cannot do the manipulations here. So here we can write something about tuple, that is it stores multiple values. It stores multiple values of different data type like as list, of different data type like as list, of different data type like as list. Okay, now it allows indexing. It allows indexing like the list. Okay, it allows indexing like the list, guys. Now what tuples are? Tuples are immutable, guys. Immutable means you cannot add, delete, or do any manipulations in the tuple once created. Okay, once created. Okay, we cannot modify it. Okay, cannot modify it. Okay, guys. So this is about the tuples. Okay, use this before every point. It will automatically ordered like a list. I can do like this. Okay, I can do it like this. See. Okay, clear everyone? Clear till this point that what is the difference between tuple and list? Tuple and list, the only difference is that lists are mutable and tuples are immutable. Okay, lists are mutable and tuple are immutable. Clear? Clear? Clear everybody? Clear everybody? Now we can use this parenthesis to create our tuple. Okay, we use this basis. Okay, we use this. Okay, we use this round brackets. Okay, this is your round brackets, correct guys? Round brackets to create our tuple. Okay, to create our. Okay guys, so let's just create a tuple. Let's just create a tuple. Let's say tuple one. Let's say. Okay guys. So yes, you can store any value 1, 2, 3. Let's say some string values also apple. Let's say banana. Okay guys, banana. Okay. So this is my tuple. Let's say this is my tuple. I can just simply print tuple. Okay guys, print tuple. See, this is how you get the output. It is in same order, guys. It is in same order because it is it is ordered. Okay, because it is ordered, guys. Okay, it is in sequential data type. Okay, so it is in sequence, guys. It is in sequence, guys. Correct. So we can do it like this. Okay, we can do it like this. Correct. Okay, all the data types are there in this. Okay, all the data types are there in the list. Okay. Okay, you can get the single value from the list, guys, using indexing. You can get a single value like, let's say here print tuple 1 here. Let's say if I want 3 from my tuple, if I want 3 from my tuple, so I can just simply pass the index, guys. See, 3, I can simply pass the index. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Now if I say I want to add something in my tuple, let's say if I want to add something like, let's say I want to update something like tuple 1 at 4th index. Let's say at 4th index, what is my value? See, apple. Now I want to change apple to mango. Okay, now if I say I want to change apple to mango. Okay, yeah, let's say 3. Now I want to change apple to mango. See guys, let's see the output. See, tuple object does not support item assignment because it is immutable. Because it is immutable, guys. Clear? Yes, it is immutable. So you cannot add something, you cannot update something, you cannot delete something from the tuple. If it is created once, you cannot do the modification. If it is created once, you cannot do the modification, guys. Okay? You cannot do the modification. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Clear? Yes. Now, so it doesn't have that functions which we have in our sets, dictionary and list to add something or to delete something. Okay. To add or to delete something. Okay. Now in tuple, what is the syntax for tuple? Syntax for tuple is basically RF. You use this round braces. Okay, you use this round braces to just create a tuple, and same like list. Okay, you can just pass simply the element. Okay, you can simply pass the element. Okay, yeah. Okay, so guys, we have only two functions basically in our tuple. Two functions basically because we don't have for add or delete or something. So count or index, correct, Sudeep. Count or index, we have some function. So now let's say count is, now let's say if I want to tell you the count function, about the count function. Now count method, what it does, guys. Now count method, in count you just pass the element here. It just count the occurrence of the element. Okay, it will count the occurrence or frequency, you can say, guys, frequency of a particular element, okay, of a particular element. Okay guys, let's say here I have something, let's say I have something apple, and let's say I have one more apple. Okay guys, so now if I pass it here, now if I pass like this, okay, now if I pass like print tuple 1 dot count. Okay, guys, dot count. And in count, if I pass my apple, so it will tell us that how many times my apple is coming in my list, in my tuple. Okay, how many times my apple is coming in my list. Okay, guys. So what will be the output, guys? What will be the output? Can you tell me how many times my apple is coming in the tuple? How many times my apple is coming in the tuple? One. Correct. I have to run the cell first. Okay. Now see. Now see, guys. Three. Three. Okay. Clear, everybody? Clear, everyone? Clear or not? Clear or not? Yes. So what count function is doing, guys? Now what this count method is doing, it is printing me, it is giving me the frequency of the element. Means how many times my element is coming in my tuple. How many times my element is coming in my tuple. Okay. How many times my index is my element is coming in my tuple. Okay, guys. So let's see the index function also. Index function. So now what it gives, it simply gives the position of the value. Okay, it just simply gives you the index of the value. Okay, position of the value. Okay, position of the, okay, of the element. Okay, position of the element, guys. Okay, position of the, if I write print, if I write here print tuple 1 dot index, give the first index of given element, gives the first index of given, yeah, correct. If it is occurring so many, if the element is occurring too many times, it will give you the first index at first time, where it will occurring. Okay, where the element is occurring. Okay. Okay, guys, clear, everyone? Clear? So here I am writing tuple 1 dot index. Here I can pass my element, guys. Okay, here I can pass the element. Okay, clear, everybody? Clear, everyone? Let's say I want to get the index of, let's say I want to get the index of, if you pass here 2, guys, if you pass here 2, see, it is present at first index. Okay, if it is present at first index. And here if you pass apple, guys, here if you pass apple, see, the first time the apple is occurring here. Okay, guys, this is the first time my apple is occurring. Correct. And the index of this is first. Okay, the index of this is first, sorry, third. Correct, guys? Third. 0, 1, 2, 3. Correct, guys? Clear or not? Clear, everyone? So what is index function does? If you have multiple values like this, it will give you the index of the first value comes. Okay, the first index of the given element. Okay, clear, everybody? Clear with the count and the index function in tuple? Clear with the count and the index function in tuple? Clear, everyone? Clear? Anybody any doubt, guys? Anybody any doubt in this? Anybody any doubt in this? How to get second index? How to get second index? So you can simply see, you can simply write it like this. Should we use? You can use the loop. Okay. You can use the loop if you want to find the second index. Okay, second occurrence of a value in a tuple. So you cannot do it by the index method, because index method gives you only the first value. Okay, index method basically gives you the first value. Okay, correct? Yes. So you cannot do it by the index method. Okay, by the index method. Okay. Okay. So what you can do, you can simply do it like this, like just pass the element like 20. Like here I want apple, here I want apple, right, guys? Here I want my apple. Clear? Yes, guys. So now what I can do here, I can just write the first index and the +1 values. Okay, the +1 values, guys. Okay, guys, like my first index is, let's say here 3 plus 1. Okay, 3 plus 1, 5. See, here where is my list, guys? Where is my tuple? Let's say, yeah, here you can see. Okay, this is how you can get it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. Okay. Okay. Okay, Keith, you can do it like this. Okay. Yeah. So guys, everybody is clear. Everybody is clear or not? Guys, tell me. Everyone, repeat please. Which part, Shubhdeep? Which part? 3 plus 1. See, you cannot do it. See, if you want the second occurrence, you cannot do it directly by the index function. You cannot do it directly by the index function. So what you can do, you can just pass the index of the first occurrence. That is 3. That is 3. Okay, that is 3, and you can simply just write it plus 1. Okay, you can just simply write it plus 1. Okay. Okay, means it just see this is the first occurrence. Third, at the third index, my first apple is coming. Now I want the second occurrence. Correct, Shubdeep? So I can simply pass plus 1. Okay. So if you want the third occurrence, you can simply pass the index plus 2. Correct, Shubdeep. Tuple 1 dot index. Got it. Yes. Clear. Okay. Ma'am, could you lap up today's class as we need some time to revise and practice the topics covered over the past 4 days? Sunny, as 15 minutes are left in our class. I cannot stop it like this here only because we have so much of time left. If it is of 5 or 2 minutes, I can just stop it. I can stop it, guys. But it is 15 minutes. Okay, so I cannot stop it like this. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. So anybody, any doubt? If you are clear with this, you can go through the file, Sunny. You will be clear. Okay, you will be clear till the point. Okay. Yes. Okay, guys. Now here we have studied about the tuple, guys. We have studied tuple, sets, dictionary, and list. Okay, tuple, set, dictionary, and list. Now in sequential data types, guys, we have strings also, guys. Okay, so let's see the strings, guys. Okay, let's see the strings. Strings, guys. Clear? Strings. Okay. You have studied about the strings, guys. You have studied about the string. That string is the text type data, guys. Correct? Text type data. Yes, guys. Text type data. Strings. One more usage of tuples. Person, this, name, age, job, print name, print age, print job. Yes, Arif. Yes. Direct assignment variable. Yes, Kirti, you can do it, but you can use the tuple also. Okay. Direct assignment. What you're saying, Arif? Okay. Okay, guys. So now what I'm talking about the text data type, guys. Correct? Yeah, Keith, you can do that. Okay. Text data type. Now we can perform indexing in our string, guys. It follows indexing, guys. Because it is sequential, guys. Okay. It is sequential data type. So it has some index, guys. So it can follows indexing. We can follows indexing. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Clear, everyone? Clear or not? Yes. Okay. Now what I can do? Now what I'm saying that let's say I have a full name. Okay. Let's say I have a string. Full name is equals to, let's say I can write let's say here what I can write. Okay. RF. Let's say RF. His name is Hussain. Okay. Arif Hussain. Okay. So this is my full name, guys. Let's say this is my full name. Okay, guys. Now, how can we perform our indexing, guys? Let's say, guys, if you want from, like, let's say I want this thing. like HOSS. I want this horse only. Okay, this much of element. Okay, this much of element. Okay, so how can we get that, guys? How can we get that? Okay, how can we get that? Tell me, guys, everyone. Using the indexing, we can do that. Using the indexing, we can do that, guys. Like I want to, let's say I want to like I want Arif at once and I want Hussein. I want to just differentiate it. Like I want first name, let's say first name. Okay, first name. Can we do slicing string too? Yes, Subdeep, you can do. You can do. This is what we are doing here. Okay, this is what it, because I'm just differentiating Arif in one and Hussein in one. Okay, I'm just, yeah, correct, Sudhir, correct. Okay, so now what I can do, I can write here full name. Okay, I can write here full name. Now I want Arif. I want Arif and then I want Hussein. Okay, then I want Hussein. Okay, in two variables. Okay, this will be two variables. Okay, okay. So now what I can do, I can write if I want Arif. So what is the starting index, guys? What is the starting index? 0, 0, guys. Correct, correct. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, guys, here you can see the white spaces also. The white spaces also have the index. Okay. Spaces is also a character. Correct, Sudhir. Okay. So here you have to give the index to the spaces also, guys. Spaces also. Okay. In the spaces is also as an index. So here, if you see the indexing, guys, if you see the indexing, let me show you the indexing first. Okay. Here, so here you can see A is present at 0th index. A is present at 0th index. Then R is at 1. Okay. Then R is at 1. Then I is at 2. And then F is at 3. Now the space, you can see the space between the Arif and the Hussein, guys. That will also considered as a character. So we can give it index 4. Okay, guys. Okay. Now H will be at index 5. O will be at index 6. S will be at index 7. S will be at index 7. A will be at index 8. I will be at index 9. And then the N will be at index 10. Okay, guys. So this is how the indexing is performed in our strings, guys. Okay. In our strings, guys. Okay. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Clear or not? Yes. Now I want Arif. Now I want Arif in my first name and I want Hussein in my second name. Okay. Same character is same index number. No, here see, you can see S and S I have given. And oh, sorry. Just a second, guys. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 9, 10, and 11, I think it will be. Okay? Clear? Clear, everyone? Clear or not? Yeah. Okay. Now what I'm saying, I want to just differentiate, like I want first name in my first variable and then the second name. Okay? And then the second name. Okay? Okay. Yeah, you can use that split method you are using, Keith. You are using the split method. Okay. Okay. Now here I am saying that by indexing. Now here I am saying I want Arif first. In my first name, I want Arif. So what will be the starting index, guys? Because I want from the start, guys. I want from the start. So I can simply give it like this, guys. I can simply give it like this. Okay. I can skip the starting index, guys, because I want from start. So I can simply skip the starting index, guys. Now what will be the ending index, guys? Now what will be the ending index? Okay. Here 0 is my Arif. R is 1. I is 2. And F is 3. Now I have to give the ending index plus 1, guys. 3. Okay. 3 plus 1 so that I can get it at 4. F. Okay. So that I can get it at F. Correct or not? Correct or not? If you print it, print F name. Let's say F name. See, Arif you are getting, guys. Arif you are getting, guys. Clear or not? Clear or not? Clear or not, everyone? Yes. Now if I want the last name, guys. Now if I want the last name, guys. So can you tell me the index, guys? So can you tell me the index, everyone? Everyone, can you tell me the index? What will be the starting index, guys? What will be the starting index? Because I want from San. Okay. Now, what will be the starting index, guys? Okay. Now, what is the index of H? Can you see that? What is the index of H? Fifth, guys. Correct. So 5. And I want to go till last, guys. I want to go till last. I can skip the ending index, guys. I want to go till last. So I can skip the ending index, correct? Now here I can just simply print my last name also, guys. Here I can simply print my last name also, comma LD. Okay, guys. See. Just a second. I think here I just pass a comma. Okay. Yeah. See. See, guys. Clear, everyone? Clear or not? Clear or not? Everyone? Yes? Yes? Clear? So this is how you can perform the indexing in the strings, guys. This is how you can perform the indexing in the strings, guys. Correct? Correct, everyone? Correct or not? Clear? Clear, everyone? Now, is strings are mutable or immutable data type? Okay, guys, if strings are mutable or immutable, if we don't give f name, output is coming under. If it I don't give f name, output is coming under. What do you mean by this RF under f name? F name basically that is for the concatenation. I think concatenation when you want to do, you can simply, if you want it in a different line, you can simply pass here slash and backslash and you can write. Yeah, correct, guys. Immutable. Strings are immutable. Strings are immutable, guys. Immutable. Okay. How can we check that? So can we update some values? Let's say if I want to update my value, like if I want to update, let's say a full name, let's say at index, let's say 2, I want to give it like some character, like let's say p. Okay, let's say p. So this is here, I am updating my value, guys. I am updating my values. Oh, correct. I am updating my I to P. Okay, I am updating my I to P. So can we do that, guys? See, can we do that? See, string object does not support item assignment. String object does not support item assignment. Why, guys? Why? Because it is immutable. Because it is immutable. Correct? It is immutable, guys. Clear or not, everyone? Clear or not? Tell me, guys. Tell me, everyone. Clear or not? Yes, yes. So strings are your immutable data type, guys. Strings are your immutable data type. Okay, strings are your immutable data type. Okay, guys. Clear, everyone? Clear? Yes. Okay. Okay, I can stop here, guys. Okay, I can stop here now. Okay, if anybody has any doubt, you can tell me now, guys. If anybody any doubt, you can tell me now. I can share you the file also, guys. Okay, I can share you the file also, guys. Okay. Just a second. Ma'am, can you give some question for practice so we can better understand the topics? Okay, guys. Okay, okay. I can give you some practice question. Okay. Let's say, okay, for list. Okay. For list, I can give you some practice question. Okay. Here I can write, guys. Here I can write. Okay. Homework, everybody. Homework. Okay. Okay, guys. So let's say, simply first what you can do is create a set, guys. Create two sets. Create two set. Okay. Create two set and do the following. Do the following. Okay, guys. Let's say uh union of the two sets. Okay. Union of the two sets, guys. Okay. And let's say intersection. Intersection of the two sets. Okay, so this is for sets, guys. Okay, this is for sets. You can do this. Okay, okay, you can do this. Okay, now let's say. Okay, now let's say what you can do. Okay, okay. S is equal S is to check this. Yeah, yeah, you can do that, Sudhir. You can do that. For palindrome number, you can do that. If your string is palindrome or not. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's say I'm using that. Create a list. Okay, create a list of 5 elements. Let's say 5 elements and print it, guys. Simply create a list of 5 elements and print it. Okay. Now, let's say here I can write here x is the third element from the list, guys. Okay, x is the third element from the list. Okay, okay, okay. Let's say b part. Okay, remove element. Remove the last element. Okay, remove the last element by from the list. Okay, from the list, guys. Okay, remove the last element from the list. Okay. Now what you can do? Just insert. Okay, insert 85 at index 4. Okay, insert 85 at index 4. Okay, guys. Now, let's say D is, okay, what you can do now, okay, add add some value using append method. Okay, this is you can do this. Now, create a tuple. Okay, guys, create a tuple simply. Tuple in the, we create a tuple of 5 elements, takes 5 elements. Okay, now what you have to do, let's say a is just basically uh count the count the occurrence of a value, guys. Okay, now b, what you can do, find the index of a particular element. Okay, guys. Okay. So this is the questions you can do, guys. You can try these questions. Okay, I'm just pasting the question in the chat box also, guys. I'm pasting the question in the chat box also, so that you can perform these questions. Okay, okay, guys. Okay, so this is the question, guys. This will be the question. Okay, you have to perform it. Okay, guys. Clear, everyone? Okay, then. Just a second, guys. Just a second. Yes. Okay, guys. So this is the homework. You can do all these homeworks. Okay, guys. And if you guys have any problem in these questions, come, we will discuss it. Okay, we will discuss in the next class. Okay, guys. Everybody, can you share yesterday file also? You can use check my GitHub repository for revising lesson device. It will build structures and updates daily. Okay, guys. Okay, Subradeep, for the yesterday file, this is the file. This is the file I'm using. This is the file I'm using. So I'm just copying it in the chat box. So, okay, guys. So this is the collab file. Okay. Okay, guys. I hope everybody is clear with the session. Okay. I hope everybody is clear with the session, guys. So if you have any doubt, you can tell me now. You can tell me now, guys. And if you don't have any doubt, okay, you can leave the session. We will meet in the next class, guys. Okay. Yeah. Good day, Arif. Good day. Have a good day. Yeah, yeah. Have a good weekend, Supradeep. Have a good week. Yeah, bye, bye, everyone. Yeah. Okay, Rajkumar, thank you. Okay, guys, I hope everybody is clear with the session. Okay, we will meet next in the next class. Okay, yeah. Bye. Have a good day, everyone. Have a good day. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I'm ending this meeting now.